What's up guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make the tunnel effect as well as the reverse tunnel effect. It's really easy, make sure to watch till the end, and yeah, let's get on with it. Alright, so first what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your clips ready. Second, what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that both of those clips are moving further away from the subject. Here you can see it's moving inside the subject. We don't want that, we want the opposite, so simply you can just reverse it. Now you can see it's moving away from it, and do the same for the second clip. Here you can see it's moving inside. We want the opposite, like that. Yep, this is what we want. All right, now make sure the rim part is the second clip and the first one can be literally anything. All right, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna speed ramp your edit. So this is what we have so far. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select this and copy paste this. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to remove BG custom background. You're gonna select everything except the rim, cut this out. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now you're gonna disable this by pressing V on your keyboard. It doesn't do anything, don't worry about that. Right, and you're gonna select the second clip and you're only gonna select the rim now. Basically the opposite. Okay, after that, now you can see we only have the rim, a clip with only the rim. You can enable this video back again by pressing V again, and this is what we have so far. Alright, second, what you're gonna do, you're gonna select both of this and put this above the main track. Okay, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna select this. Alright, make sure you're at the last frame of this and just press freeze like that, and you're gonna sync its ending with this one like that. By the way, make sure the top clip is the one without the rim and the second one is the one with only the rim. All right, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the top clip and press freeze. Bring this a layer up and put this back here and bring this like do it like 16 something frames. I do it 60 frames. It depends on your frame rate. If you're on 30 frame rate, do 8 frames. If you're on 60, I recommend 16. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the last frame of this one, check this and check this, and go to the front one and bring this up and like that. There you go. And this is what we have so far. Yep, there you go. This is what we have so far. And now for the sliding one, where the rim just slides in, it's really simple. You're gonna go to the first frame here, bring this out of, yeah, and check this and put this back in like that. And then you should add some shakes. After the shakes and stuff, this is the product. And yeah, then that's how you do the tunnel effect. Simple as that. And now for the reverse tunnel effect, in which it's basically the opposite. It's basically like this. Right, so now if you're gonna do the reverse entry effect, make sure both of the clips are moving towards the subject. So for the entry one, it's basically the opposite, but if you're gonna do the reverse one, make sure that it's, you know, moving towards the subject. Here you can see it's moving outside. We don't want that. And same for this one, make sure that both clips are moving towards the subject. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy, actually no, you're gonna go to the last frame of this one, press freeze and bring this to the up track and go and again do like 16 something frames like this. All right, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut out the you're gonna select everything but the rim. Then you're gonna go to the first frame of the freeze, select this like this and go to the end, like a frame prior to the end and like that. There you go. So this is what we have so far. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select this and press freeze and bring this up here and then cut the sync the ending of the first clip to the ending of the freeze like this. Yep, like that. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna copy paste this and basically do the same thing where the top clip is just where the top clip you're gonna select everything but the rim. And then you're gonna disable this again and press the second clip, and here you're gonna select everything. And then here you're gonna select only the rim. And now enable this back in, and this is what we have. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go here, select this, and go to a frame prior to the ending and bring this out, and this is your reverse entry tunnel effect. And yeah, there you go. And then you can like add some shakes like this. And yeah, that's how you do the reverse entry tunnel effect. And that's pretty much all. If you have any question, make sure to ask me in the comments. And yeah, bye.